Hey folks, Adam here, and if respiratory health is important to you, then you're going to want to check out these fantastic masks. They come to us from SupplyAID, and they're absolutely fantastic. Now, this is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to say this, but I want you to be able to see these masks up close and personal, see the form, fit, and finish, to where you can decide if these are the masks for you, and they're absolutely fantastic. So what separates these from the others? Now, KN95 masks get rid of 95% of airborne pathogens, pollutants, dust, bacteria, viruses, that sort of thing, which is really going to make a quality difference. These are the things that professionals, doctors, lawyers, doctors, construction workers have been using for years. People who spray paint for a living, paint cars for a living, people that work with dust and debris, people that don't want to transmit stuff are using these fantastic masks. So that's absolutely fantastic. Now, what is so special? Look at the fit. They've got a little piece of metal here that forms and configures directly to your nose. And the fact that this is sucking in the air means that the air is not getting in through these areas. It's filtering through with 5 layers of cloth, a material that is going to keep you healthy, safe, and secure. Now, we all know wearing masks really makes a difference. And if you're worried about your respiratory health, then these KN95 masks are really going to make a difference for you. All right, folks, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna rotate my head so you can see how close these fit. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds, so I'm a bigger individual, so these masks will look a little bit smaller on me than they will on some people. You can see the fit and finish is very good. Let me bring it up close so you can see the detailing on here is very nice, that this is not going to break easily. You have to really tug and pull at it. And the fact that when you put these on, the mask isn't necessarily touching your face, like your mouth, it's touching the outside. That's also a good sign as well. So again, if you're looking for a high quality mask, these are probably the masks for you, all right? Don't take my word on it. Look at the ratings. Look at how many thousand, what is it, over 60,000 ratings, and people are averaging nearly 5 stars. That's because it's a phenomenal mask, which really keeps pollutants out of the air and out of your lungs. If you're working with asbestos, if you're working with paint, if you're just going shopping and working in a place where you're going to be dealing with a lot of people, this is a great mask. And with Amazon, you get the benefits of Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and that A to Z guarantee. What does that mean? If you don't like it for any reason within the first 30 days, extended over the holidays, you can return it. No questions asked. Amazon's great about that, and that is why people love Amazon. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. People do love this product. People do love things being shipped from Amazon. Being able to get it in less than 48 hours is absolutely fantastic in its own right. All right, folks. Hopefully you're getting a good look at the product. I hope you've already put it in your cart, because this is a good one. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Adios, amigos.